What's up everybody and welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to be talking about how you can clone yourself in Photoshop. So let's just jump right into the computer and we'll get started right away. I don't want to drag this on any longer. Let's just jump right into it. So we just opened up Photoshop and we got the 4 photos thrown in. These are what they look like, so you know what we're working with. As you can tell, we didn't move the camera at all. The camera stayed in the same place, and we just took 4 separate photos of me moving around. So the first thing that we want to do is take our first photo. This is our base layer right here, which I wanted this one as the base layer because I'm farthest away from the camera, and then this one will be our next layer. So what we need to do is we need to click and drag this onto this one right here, line them up, drop the opacity down. As we can see here, the arm will be covered by me, the second me. So we'll just unlock that background, come over here to the toolbar, select the eraser, and just erase right here. And paint me back. We'll need to paint this wall back as well because of the color difference. There we go. Being very careful. Be sure to just click and just do little bits at a time, because if you do a whole bunch, then when you try and hit Control Z, it'll undo all your hard work. So be sure to just do little snippets at a time, making sure you don't have to do that. Now we got to zoom in to get really close so we don't erase the book, because if we just keep erasing like this, we just go right through and create a weird looking book thing. So we just have to go in, get really close, shrink it down in size just a little bit, and just click and do little bits at a time, making sure we don't get the book, but we're getting right up close to it. I'm just clicking as I move. I'm not even dragging at this point, making sure I get all the things that I need to get.
A few moments later.
As you can see, the curtain is moving a little bit because I guess during the shoot there was a little bit of camera shake, which is fine. We can work with that. Gotta get really close right here. As we can see, we got a little hiccup right there. Zoom in. Get rid of that. A little bit of click. Okay. Instead of having to go back over here and clicking the zoom tool and then zooming in and out like that, I like to do the keyboard shortcut Alt and then just scroll in and out as I need. Makes editing a whole lot faster. Now I'll just come around my head, just clicking little bits at a time, making sure that I don't get too much of the hair. Still want it to look semi-normal by the time we're done. Also, if I want to just move right or left on the screen, I will hold Control down and scroll, and that will move me side to side. And then if I want to go up and down, I just scroll up and down. It's really easy. Keyboard shortcuts make a world of difference, make editing a whole lot faster and easier. Now we're just tracing around the hair very carefully, making sure we don't mess too much up. Now this part is going to be kind of tricky because the head is blending in with parts of the curtain, so I just kind of have to guess at this point right here, and we'll just go really closely in like that. Control scroll to move over, paint around the glasses just like that. Voila! First photo done. Looks pretty good. That wasn't too bad, was it? Now all I have to do that same thing just with this photo, which we already used. Just kidding, we have to go to the third photo. Here we go. Take this one, bring it over, plop her down, align it, make sure the opacity is good. Now if we look here, gotta realign it, there we go. If we look very carefully, we can see that the couch is separating this me and this me, so it'd be this one will be a lot easier to mask on. We don't have to do so precise around. We can just do one kind of big swoop right across. So we'll bring back the opacity to 100%. Grab the eraser with the E on your keyboard, and then we select this layer right here.
A few moments later.
And if we start erasing, we get rid of my body. So that's not what we want to erase. We want to erase over here and bring this back. Just like that. Super simple, super quick. I like to just go over the entire photo. Make sure it looks clean. See, I did big strokes like that and I ended up erasing all this up here. So I just need to go, simply click, carefully go around my body, because we don't want to go into it and make me disappear, because that would be gross. There we go, just like that. There we go. See? Perfect. 3 down, 1 more to go.
Wow.
Grab the erase tool, start erasing around, just like so. Now this one will be just a little bit more tricky due to the fact that we have to mask around behind me, because you recall I was sitting on the couch. So once we finish painting up the easy stuff around me, we just have to go like this. Bring back the book. Now Alt and scroll to get it nice and close. Very carefully go around the head. Bracket key to shrink it. There we go. Bring back my body, because I look schmexy. Da-doom. Make sure. Okay, we got a little problem right here with the pillow. No problem. We just simply take this. One quick erase right across. There we go. Voila. Just like that. You now have cloned yourself in Photoshop, and it looks pretty dang clean. Except, ooh, good catch right here, I forgot to finish off my leg. So take the eraser tool and paint it back, as well as this leg right here. Always double check your work. You never, ever, ever, ever want to export and then realize you forgot something, because that is a major problem.
Thanks so much for watching, you guys. Hopefully you liked today's video. If you found it helpful, let me know down below in the comments. Be like, yo, Zach, really helpful. Thank you so much. I've been trying to figure this out for a while, and you helped me. So let me know if it was helpful down below in the comments. Be sure while you're down there to like, comment, subscribe, all that cool stuff, because y'all are cool people. And we will see you guys in the next video. Peace.